Hi guys, Red here. Welcome to the scrapyard. Uh, really ain't got much to report, man. I've been working through a few things and haven't been putting really any bench time in. Uh, I'll show you what progress I got. I got a couple of stash ads I can show. I just didn't want y'all to think, anything had happened to me or anything. Speaking of which, man, like everybody else, I'm worried about Terry. I feel for him, man. It's thoughts and prayers, I guess, on way to say it. I'm not a religious man, but I've been thinking about it a lot lately. But anyway, one more pleasant things. Let's see, little progress on the monster coach. Not much, just a little bit. Like I said, I've been lazy. I haven't done a thing. I've been wrapped up in my own head. I've been doing other things. Let's see, where did I put my spinny jigger? Where the jigger is. We didn't call it. Well, now, where did I put it? That's taking the thing to misplaced, ain't it? Oh well. Anyway, I haven't got it glued up. It's still just mocked up right now. It looks alright, I reckon. My hand coordination, my eyesight ain't good enough to do it, lay down the gold on that beading like I should have. Man, I was kind of sloppy on it. But it'll look alright on the shelf, though. I still got to, haven't glued it on yet. So I still got to go back and paint my window trim and put like a black wash in on the curtains. I think that color worked pretty good, pretty good for those gold curtains. It is what it is. But yeah, been did a few little things to it. I haven't really no real progress yet. I'm just piddling. There's that. Stash ads. I won a lot. These two were in it, both sealed. This is what I was interested in. Got a really good deal on it. It's sealed in the box. This one's sealed in the box. I really don't have no interest in that. I figure I'll save it and give it away when I hit 500. I mean, it looks like a good kit. I remember them 2 years when both Earnhardts ran the net 24-hour race. And I bought one of these. And I got to say I'm kind of disappointed. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, it's a parts pack thing and all that, but the molding, I was disappointed, man, because the other Keeler's Customs I've gotten from Atlanta's been really nice. But this one here, I don't know. I've already worked most of it out, but the body was out of a line. The body mold was out of a line about a 64th of an inch. Now, that don't sound like much, but a 64th of an inch translates into a crap ton of work. And the same thing on, this had a lot of cleanup on it. But, yeah, and this, I haven't even took this out of the thing yet. I'm already mad at it. I don't know if y'all can see or not, but that blower has got a big dip right in the middle of it, on the top of it. I mean, it's just, that's fucked up. I do like it's got a chain drive cover for the blower. That lets you build an early Hemi. I think chain drives are gone pretty much by 1964. 65 anyway. But, I don't know, it'll build up alright, but like I said, I was disappointed, man, at the quality control. Yeah, and see, it's got a big divot right there. The same thing on the other side. I mean, you know, no big deal, but still, you know, it's not quite the quality I expected it was going to. I was expecting it, but no biggie. It'll probably just set the pile of the rest of them not get built as well. I'll get built halfway and sit around here then. But that's me, Billy about the Scorpion. The Monster Scopes went together pretty good. Is going together pretty good. I got some of this UV glue to try out. Man, bought this was real cheap. It's like $6. I already had a UV light. And I got for when I'm working with my printer, right? But yeah, I figured I'd try this out. And I tell you what, I like it a lot better than super glue. I mean, I glued all the chrome on this. Oh, well, I spoke too soon. It wouldn't set up good. I didn't cure it all the way out. But anyway, it dries clear, doesn't fog. And I don't know, I was kind of impressed. You know, like I said, it was the absolutely cheapest that I could find. You know, just to try it out. You know, I'm bad to do that. Get the cheapest thing I can find to try it out. You know, and then once you got proof of concept, there you go. Yeah, this little toy light thing will be done now. Sorry I haven't been around. Like I said, I've been working through a few things. Continuing with my T theme though, I drug this out and glued up this much of it and got it ready. I ain't sure what chassis I'm gonna put under it. I've got a double dragster chassis with the parts that came with this in it. I don't know if I want to use that or, let's see, got 2 or 3 other chassis that go into that. Well now, what do I do with it? What did I do with them? I'm looking. Well, I thought they'd been right here. Oh well, I'll find them later. Anyway, you know, I'm not quite sure what chassis I want to put under it. Whether I want to put that chassis under it, or whether I want to put like a tube chassis under it. I've got a tube chassis set laying around here somewhere, or build like a more modern altered chassis go under it. And like I said, I've been thinking. I mean, that and the Fiat go well together. This is AMT's parts pack. The T altered body. The tonneau cover don't fit for crap. I mean, it's way the hell too big. I'll probably end up using this is a pattern. Making one out of foil will go on there. But yeah, it'll look good with it. It's the Fiat. This is basically the same car. Where's the Fiat roll cage? But yeah, I mean, I get discouraged at times because my eyesight's getting bad, and you know, excuses. But my eyesight's getting bad, and my fine motor skills ain't what they used to be either. But it'll be all right. Anyway, if you like this kind of thing, like, subscribe, share it, make clips out of it, make fun of me. Tell me a joke. Just interact with somebody. Leave me a comment, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.